Welcome back to the course. Let's start with a question on what is Oracle Apex. First, let me cite a phrase from the official Apex page, that is, eliminate 98% of hand coding with low code. Now this is a nice statement, but what does it mean? The most important part in the statement is the low code. Well, low code is about being more agile, developing solutions faster for less cost and with greater consistency. If you think about it, you can use the already available HTML components defined by the Oracle Apex globally. Here's an example. This is just any random web page you can think of. We might have this header area, a sidebar, and then on the right, some content. Now we clearly can split this up into regions. We could have a header region, a sidebar region, and then a headline and the content region. Now, why is thinking like this important or useful? Well, all these building blocks predefined and we don't need to write separate code to render it. It's all about customization on the predefined blocks. Also, the backend code can be written with less or no code at all, depending on the architecture of your database. This, of course, makes working in teams easier, but even if you are working alone, it makes it easy for us to keep our work manageable. For a brief overview, Oracle Apex enables you to design, develop, and deploy beautiful, responsive, database-driven applications. Using only a web browser and limited experience, you can rapidly develop and deploy professional applications that are both fast and secure. It combines the qualities of a low-code tool and enterprise development tool with security, integrity, scalability built for the web.